If you're thinking what to make for today's lunch, then this is the recipe for you. This is one traditional and classic recipe that has been made so many times over the years. Today, I will share my foolproof recipe for a delicious and decadent filling that will please even the pickiest eaters. So let me show you how to make this delicious and traditional moussaka. In a frying pan, heat up the olive oil and cook diced onion alongside with minced garlic cloves. Add the minced meat, grated carrots, and cook until the minced meat will completely turn into a brown color. It will take around 5 minutes. In the same pan, add the mustard, salt and pepper to taste, and season with mixed dry vegetables. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and when you will remove the pan from the heat, add in freshly chopped parsley. Stir and set aside. Next, we need to prepare our casserole pan where we are going to cook the moussaka. Over the last period of time, I am using new cookware from Animalie, and for this recipe, I choose to cook in this casserole pan because I found it's perfect for cooking recipes like this, different types of roasted meat, or cabbage casserole. One of the things I love the most is the modern look of the pan and that the pan keeps the meal warm for several hours. Also, this pan is perfectly designed and keeps the freshness from the meal longer. I recommend this pan to all out there who wants to cook without fear of burning and sticking the meal to the pan. I found those pans are real time saver, and if you want to make your life easier, you can buy this pan in all Vero supermarkets. They're available just there. Right now there is a coupon sale action in which this pan and the other Animalie cookware can be found on 50% sale. In the casserole pan where the moussaka will bake, add some olive oil and arrange some potato slices in a circle. Transfer the mincemeat filling from the pan and smooth it out all over the pan. Arrange potato slices on top of the mincemeat filling in a big circle. Now my delicious secret for the recipe. In a large bowl, crack in the eggs, season with some salt, and add the milk. Whisk the whole mixture and pour the mixture on top of the moussaka. Shake the casserole pan to distribute the filling in every hole. We need to make sure that the filling is all over the pan. Bake the moussaka in a well-heated oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. The moussaka is ready when it will develop golden brown color on the surface. Let it cool for about 15 minutes and then slice it up and serve piece in a serving platter. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time!